Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know, that we have completed chapter number 6, that is division. Okay, so now in today's session I'm going to start with another topic of maths, that is chapter number 7, and the topic is factors and multiples. Okay, so this is the new chapter that we are going to start in today's session. So I'm here just writing the topic, that is chapter number 7, and the topic is factors and multiples. This is the topic, that is factors and multiples. And multiples. Factors and multiples. That is chapter number 7. तो देखिए फैक्टर्स एंड मल्टीपल्स ये हमारा टॉपिक है, बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द फैक्टर्स. सो फैक्टर्स क्या होते हैं, व्हाट इज फैक्टर? तो देखिए फैक्टर्स, किसी भी नंबर के फैक्टर्स वो होते हैं जो कि उसको कम्प्लीटली डिवाइड करते हैं. ओके, सो यू कैन से अ फैक्टर इज द एग्जैक्ट डिवाइजर ऑफ द नंबर. A factor is a exact divisor of the number. तो लिखिए what is a factor? What is factor? So factor is a factor is an exact a factor is an exact divisor. A factor is an exact divisor of a number. तो किसी भी नंबर को हम कंप्लीटली डिवाइड, जो नंबर डिवाइड कर देता है वो उस नंबर का क्या होता है, फैक्टर. ओके, अब देखिए आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू सम एग्जांपल्स. तो देखिए यू कैन फैक्टर्स के कैसे मल्टीपल्स कैसे फैक्टर्स हुए. देखिए सपोज आपको द नंबर इज, आपको बोला फाइंड द फैक्टर ऑफ, सपोज द क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द फैक्टर ऑफ 12. Suppose this is the question that you have to find the factor of, factor नहीं अगर factors होगा, that will be factors. Okay, find the factors of 12. तो देखिए 12 आपको, तो that means 12 को आप किस किस नंबर से डिवाइड करोगे कि उसका कोई भी रिमाइंडर नहीं बचेगा, ये किन 2 नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे ताकि आपका फैक्टर जो है, जो उसके जो आंसर है वो 12 आए. देखिए बेसिकली द फैक्टर्स कैन बी फाउंड इन 2 ways. That means by multiplication and by division. Okay, so you can find the factor of 12 by the 2 methods. The first is by multiplication, the second is by division. So I'll just show you how. Okay, suppose you have to find the factors of 12. You have to find the factors of 12. So first method that you can use to find the factor of 12, that is multiplication. You can find the factor of 12 by multiplication. अब मल्टीप्लिकेशन से आप कैसे फैक्टर्स ढूंढेंगे, देखिए. So that means आपको multiply, that how we can find the factors by multiplication. So in this you have to multiply the 2 numbers जिनको multiply करने के बाद you will get the product 12. ऐसे 2 numbers को multiply करिए जिनको multiply करने के बाद जो उसका product आए, जो उसका आंसर आए, that is 12। तो देखिए अगर हम 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 12 इज इक्वल टू 12, 2 6 are 12, okay, 3 4s are 12, your 4 3s are 12, same thing, 5 yeah, 6 2s are 12, okay, then on this, that's it, okay. So अब देखिए now we got that if we multiply 1 with 12 you will get 12, if we multiply 2 with 6 you will get 12, if you multiply 3 with 4 you will get 12. So now here we are finding the factors of 12. So अब देखिए now we have this is how we have calculated the factors of 12 by multiplication. तो देखिए ये क्या हो गए हमारे factors, तो 1 और 12 में, so factors of 12 कौन से हुए? Factors are, so after multiplying 1 and 12 we got 12. So factors कौन से हुए? 1 and 12. Then factors, second में factors कौन से हुए? That is 2 and 6. So that means if you multiply 2 with 6 or 6 with 2 you will get 12. So इसमें क्या हुए? 6 and 2. Third is factors. Third में factors कौन से हुए? So what are the factors in these two? This is 3 and 4 or 4 or 3. So that means if we multiply, इसका मतलब कि अगर हम 1 12 6 2 3 4 इन नंबर्स को किसी भी अदर नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे द प्रोडक्ट विल बी 12. किसी भी नहीं, अगर किसी नंबर से किसी एक नंबर से ऐसे मल्टीप्लाएंगे दैट यू विल गेट 12 एज देयर प्रोडक्ट. सो दैट मीन्स if we multiply two numbers and their product is 12, so they are the factors of the given number. अगर आप हमसे पूछे what are the factors of 12, so you will write down factors of 12 are, so the factor of 12 are, हमेशा इसको increasing order decreasing order ascending order में लिखिए, that is 1 then 2 3 4 6 and 12. So now you got the factors of 12, that is 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. So these are the factors of 12. So that means अगर हम 1 को 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे you will get 12, you multiply 2 with 6 you will get 12, 3 multiply by 4 you will get 12. So that means these are the factors of 12 that we have calculated by the multiplication. So this is how you can get the factors of the given number, by using the multiplication. So that means we try to find the numbers. So for finding the factors with multiplication, we will multiply the numbers whose product is, okay. So that means these are the factors of 12. So that means we have to multiply the numbers, okay, जिनको multiply करने के बाद we got 12. So these are the factors of 12. So the factor of 12 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. So this is how you can calculate the factors by multiplication. Okay, just take one more example. देखिए एक और example लेते हैं. Let's take one more example. Okay, suppose you have to find the factors of 18. Suppose you have to find the factors of 18. 18 के factor ढूंढने आपको. Okay, so that we will also calculate with the help with the multiplication. So we are calculating the factors of 18 with multiplication by using multiplication. So that means now we have to multiply those two numbers whose product is 18. Okay, for 18 के भी ऐसे निकलेंगे, हम अब उन दो numbers को multiply करेंगे जिनका product क्या आएगा 18. So how? Let's see. Okay, so first is 18 into 1 is equal to 18. 2 into 9 18. 3 into 6 18. 6 into 3 is 18. Okay, now 2 into 9 or 9 into 2, that is also 18. So the factors कौन कौन से हुए इसमें? This is factors. इसमें that is 18 and 1 or 1 or 18. Then in the second one, what are the factors? The factors in the second one is 2 and 9. Then the factors in this is 3 and 6. Factors are 3 and 6. Now arrange these factors in the ascending order. So factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So these are the factors of 18. That is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So these are the factors of 18. Okay. अच्छा, वन मोर फैक्ट अबाउट द फैक्टर. एक फैक्टर्स के बारे में एक चीज़ याद रखिएगा बेटा, हर नंबर का सबसे छोटा फैक्टर कौन सा होता है? 1. और यू कैन से 1 इज़ द फैक्टर ऑफ एवरी नंबर. अभी हम नेक्स्ट वी विल डू द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ फैक्टर्स, तो उसमें आपको आगे मैं बताऊंगी. बट एक जनरली आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू. सो द 1 इज़ द फैक्टर ऑफ एवरी नंबर. कोई भी नंबर हो, वेदर इट्स 1, 2, 3, कोई भी नंबर हो. ओके, सो हर नंबर का फैक्टर क्या होगा? 1. So 1 is the factor of every number. Okay, so you can divide any number with 1 proper. तो 1 को आप 1 से आप किसी भी नंबर को completely divide कर सकते हो. So 1 is the factor of every number. Second thing, और किसी भी नंबर का सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर, सबसे छोटा फैक्टर कौन सा होगा? That is 1. and सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर कौन सा होगा? That is 18. Okay, so the smallest factor of any number is always 1 and the biggest factor of any number is always 18. Clear? So this is here. So this is how we have calculated the factors of 18 by multiplications. Okay, तो ये तो हमने multiplication से calculate किए the factors of 12 and 18. Suppose same numbers 12 और 18 के ही factors आपको by division calculate करने हैं. So you can even calculate the factors by division as well. So now I'm going to show you that how you can calculate the factors of a number by division. So let's see. Now we will calculate, or no, not calculate. Now we will find the factors of 12 by division. इससे पहले हमने 12 की किए थे. Factors of 12. So first we have done with the multiplication. Now we will use the division for finding the factors. So now we are going to use the division for finding the factors. Okay, so how? So देखिए पहले हमने क्या किया था, हमें उन दो नंबर्स को आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करना था. So that their product is 12. So now we have to divide two numbers. Okay, so now we have to divide the number with 12 so that is completely divisible. तो अब हम इस 12 का फैक्टर ढूंढना है, तो 12 को हमने उस नंबर से हम डिवाइड करेंगे जिससे कि वो पूरी तरह से डिविजिबल हो जाए, जिसके बाद उसका कोई रिमाइंडर ना है. completely divisible means that it does not remain with any remainder, should not be there. Okay, so that means now for finding the factors of 12 with division, we are going to divide the 12 with such numbers in which there is no remainder or no remainder is left. Okay, so this is 12 divided by 1. So 12 को 1 से divide करिए. So I am just showing you here. So 12 divided by 1. 1 ones are 1, 0, bring down 2. 1 twos are 2. So this is 12. And there is no remainder. So 12 divided by 1 is 12. Okay, एक एक करके बताऊंगी. Next you can divide 12 with 2. 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2. So let's divide 12 with 2. 2 6 are 12. No remainder. So that means 2 भी है जो 12 को, that is complete. 12 is also completely divisible by 2. So that means 2 is also the factor of 12. Okay. Next, 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3. So 12 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12. This is 4. Okay. कोई रिमाइंडर नहीं बचा. Now अभी तो हमने 1 2 और 3. So that means ये तो हमारे फैक्टर्स हैं, and along with that the numbers that we have got as the quotient after dividing 12 with these numbers, that is also the factor of 12. तो एक तो जिस नंबर से हम डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, that means the divisor is also the factor and the quotient is also the factor. Okay, if you want to recheck it, आप चाहो तो 12 को 4 से डिवाइड करो, you will get 3. So this is no use कि आप उसको 12 को 4 से डिवाइड करो, you will get 3. Then 12 divided by 6, you will get 2. No use of it. Okay, so simply, okay, so when you can find the factors of 12 by dividing the 12 with such numbers in which there is no remainder is left, or with such numbers that is completely with which the 12 is completely divisible. तो आपको 12 को उन नंबर से डिवाइड करना है जिससे कि वो completely divisible हो, that कोई भी रिमाइंडर ना बचे. So first of all we have divided 12 with 1. We got 12 as the quotient but no remainder was there. So they both are the factors of 12. तो इसमें factors कौन से हो गए? Factors are, that is 1 and 12. This is the dividend and the quotient. So divisor and the quotient. Again, so when we divided 12 with 2, we got 6. So this means this divisor, that is 2, is also the factor, and 6, the quotient, is also the factor of 12. Next, in the next one, the factors of 12 are 3 and 4, the divisor and the quotient. So now these are the factors of 12. So the factors of 12 are factors of 12 are arranging them ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So 2 4s 1 2 3 4 6 and 12, these all are the factors of 12. तो देखिए जो आपको मैंने फर्स्ट एग्जांपल दी थी, यू कैन सी दैट. सो देखिए उसमें भी फैक्टर्स यही होंगे, इसमें भी फैक्टर्स यही होंगे. सो वेदर यू आर यूजिंग द मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड और वेदर यू आर यूजिंग द डिवीजन मेथड, बट इन बोथ द केसेस द फैक्टर्स विल बी सेम. ये नहीं कि अगर आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन चेक कर रहे हो तो आपके फैक्टर्स बदल जाएंगे. नो, द फैक्टर्स विल ऑलवेज बी सेम, बट the method is different. So you can find the factors by doing the multiplication, or you can find the factors by doing the division as well. So both the methods you can use for finding the factors of the given number. Okay, so just similarly, if you suppose you have to find the factors of 18, similarly you are going to divide the 18 with such numbers which can divide the with which the 18 is completely divisible. Okay, so now for finding the factors of 18, we are going to divide the 18 with such numbers, okay, with which the 18 is completely divisible. Let's see. Now we are going to find the factors of 18 by division method. Factors of 18 by division method. तो देखिए, again let's divide 18 with 1. 18 divided by 1. So when we will divide 18 with 1, what you will get? 18. If you want to check, you can. 18 divided by 1. 1 ones are 1. 0. Bring down 8. 1 8s are 8. 8 minus 8. So that means we got 18. So 18 divided by 1, we got 18. So सो इसमें हमारे फैक्टर्स कौन से हुए 1 and 18. नेक्स्ट 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2. So let's divide 18 with 2. 2 nines are 18. 2 nines are 18. 18 minus 18, nothing is left. So no divisor, remainder is here. So with the question we got, that is 9. So that means in this, the factors of 18 are 2 and 9. Third one. Let's divide 18 with 3. 18 divided by 3. Okay, 18 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3. 3 6 are 18. 18 minus 18, nothing is left. So we got 6. Okay. Next, this number से 18 divided होगा, that can be 6. So that means with 18 divided, okay, suppose next number that we can't divide 18 with 4. अगर आप 18 को 4 से divide करेंगे, देखिए 18 divided by 4. 4 4s are 16. 2. So here we are having the remainder. So that means 4 is not the factor of 18. Okay, 4 is not the factor of 18. Okay, let's divide 18 with 5. Try करिए. 18 divided by 5. 5 3s are 15. 18 minus 15, 3. Again we are having a remainder. फिर हमारे पास एक remainder बचा. Again we are having the remainder. So that means 5 is also 5 से भी हमारा जो 18 है, that is not completely divisible. So that means 5 is also not the factor of 18. तो ये भी हमारे 18 का फैक्टर नहीं, so हम इसको नहीं लिखेंगे. Done. Next 18 divided by 6. 18 divided by 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 minus 18, nothing is left. So that means the factor is 6 and 3. Suppose अगर हम इसको लिखते हैं 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. आपने ये लिख दिया, अभी लिखा है आपने. अब आपको मैंने बोला कि then write down the factors from here. So now you are writing the factors. Factors are from 18 divided 1. The factors are 1 and 18. Next, factors are, that is 2 and 9. That is 2 and 9. Next, the third one, the factors are 3 and 6. Okay, fourth, factors are 6 and 3. Now, इसमें हमने लिखा factors are 3 and 6, इसमें लिखा 6 and 3. So will it make any difference? क्या इससे कोई डिफरेंस पड़ेगा? 6 and 3 लिखिए, 3 6 लिखिए. That means दोनों में हम क्या बता रहे हैं कि 3 और 6 इसके फैक्टर्स हैं. So that's why we don't do this. इसलिए हम इसको नहीं करते. That's why we don't do this. So we will do up to this only. So now from here you can check, or you can find the factors of 18. So here the factors of 18 are, that is 1, then 2, ascending order, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So these are the factors of 18. So you can check, अपनी नोटबुक में देखिए, आपने जब 18 के बाय मल्टीप्लिकेशन निकाले थे तब भी आपके फैक्टर्स यही थे. नाउ यू हैव कैलकुलेटेड द फैक्टर्स विद division, the factors are same. So whether you are I am telling you one more time that whether you are using the addition, sorry, the multiplication or you are using the division, but that will not change the factors of the given number. Okay, so you can this is the second way that in which from which you can calculate the factors of the given number. So you can calculate the factors by the multiplication or by division. So whichever you choose कि आपको easy है, you can choose that. But suppose in the question it is given that you have to find the factors of 18 by division method. So in that case you are going to find it by using the division only. अगर आपकी बुक में ऑलरेडी दिया है कि आपको डिवीजन से ही ढूंढना है, so आप उसको डिवीजन से ही ढूंढेंगे. अगर उन्होंने सिंपली बोला है that you have to find the factors, so you can use any method. You can use multiplication, you can show division. So that is your point of view that whatever method you want to choose you can. But if it is mentioned, वहाँ पे mention किया है कि आपको कौन सा method use करना है, then you are going to use that particular method. Clear? I hope my point is clear to everyone now. So this is how you are going to find the factors. So these are the 5 methods by which you can calculate the factors, okay, of the given number. Clear? Next is properties of factors. So we have a little bit time, but okay, just let's discuss one or two. So जितनी भी हो सकती हैं. So now we will discuss the properties of factors. And आपको ये सारी properties, so you have to write it down in your notebooks. Okay, आपको ये लिखनी है. Properties of factors. Properties of factors, and you have to note it down in your notebooks. So the first property is 1 is a factor of every number. So this is the first property. 1 is the factor. 1 is the factor of every number. 1 is the factor of every number. This is the first property and very important one. तो देखिए इससे पहले हमने अपनी नोटबुक में देखिए हमने factors of 12 और 18 calculate किए थे. I am just writing it here directly. So we have calculated the factors of 12. तो कौन से थे? You can check in your notebook. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay, next was factors of 18 that we had calculated. Factors of 18. That was next that what we have calculated. So this is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So हमने जब कैलकुलेट किया, so this was the factor of 12, this was the factor of 18. So it is written 1 is the factor of every number. So देखिए यहाँ पे भी 1 है, यहाँ पे भी 1 है. So this is the first property and the very important property of factor, that 1 is the factor of every number. कोई भी नंबर हो, whether चाहे वो 1 है, 1 खुद का भी factor obviously. So this is just very important first property, that 1 is the factor of every number. तो जो 1 है वो हर नंबर का फैक्टर होगा, क्योंकि 1 कैन डिवाइड एनी नंबर. सो आप किसी भी नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करिए, सो दैट नंबर विल बी कम्प्लीटली डिविजिबल बाय 1. ओके, फैक्टर्स क्या होते हैं? द नंबर्स, द फैक्टर्स आर द नंबर्स विच कैन डिवाइड द गिवन नंबर कम्प्लीटली. फैक्टर्स वो नंबर्स होते हैं जो हमारे पास दिया हुआ नंबर है उसको पूरी तरह से डिविजिबल करते हैं, डिवाइड करते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट इज गिवन हियर. So 1 can divide any number completely. You will not get any remainder. So 1 can divide any number completely. So any number can be divisible by 1 completely. So that's why 1 is the factor of every number. Clear? So this was the first property of factors. Okay. Now we are having some more properties that we will discuss in the next session. So for today, I'm just ending the session here only, class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.